Yo, what's up, bros? Today we're diving into something super interesting. Let's talk AI in gaming. It's a topic that's been evolving rapidly. You know, those computer-controlled opponents we love to hate. They're everywhere, from the simplest games to the most complex. Sometimes they're dumb as rocks, making you wonder how they even got programmed. It's like, who thought this was a good idea? Other times, they're ridiculously good, making you scream at the screen. It's like they're reading your mind or something. AI in games is a wild ride, man. One moment you're laughing at their stupidity, the next you're in awe of their skills. Remember those old school games where the enemies just followed the same path over and over? Simpler times, right? Yeah, predictable and kind of boring, but hey, it was all we had back then. But hey, at least you could exploit those patterns and win, right? It felt good to outsmart the game. Then came the slightly smarter AI, like the ghosts in Pac-Man. They added a bit more challenge. They still followed patterns, but with a bit more variation. It was a step up, for sure. Fast forward to today, and AI has gone bonkers. It's like a whole new world out there. We're talking about games where the AI learns from your moves, adapts its strategy, and straight up outplays you. It's like playing against another human. It's amazing and scary at the same time. You never know what to expect. Are we getting outsmarted by our digital creations? It's a question worth pondering. Maybe, but it makes for one heck of a challenge. And that's what keeps us coming back for more.
So, how did we go from dumb bots to these crazy smart AI opponents? It's a fascinating journey that has transformed the gaming landscape. Well, it's all thanks to the magic of programming, where lines of code come together to create complex behaviors, and something called machine learning, which allows AI to learn and improve from experience. Basically, developers are teaching AI to think more like us, humans. They use sophisticated algorithms to mimic human decision-making processes. They feed the AI tons of data, like how real players behave in different situations. This data is crucial for the AI to understand and predict player actions. The AI then uses this data to make decisions, predict your moves, and even surprise you with unexpected tactics. It's like having a virtual opponent that learns and adapts. It's like they're learning and evolving right before our eyes, constantly getting better and more challenging. This evolution of AI has brought some epic moments to gaming, creating unforgettable experiences. Think about fighting a boss in a game like Dark Souls or Elden Ring. These games are known for their challenging AI opponents. The AI is relentless, punishing your every mistake and making you work for that victory. It pushes you to your limits. It's intense, frustrating, but when you finally beat that boss, the sense of accomplishment is immense. Man, the feeling is unbeatable. It's moments like these that make gaming so rewarding and memorable.
Here's the thing about AI opponents. They can be a real roller coaster of emotions, taking you on a wild ride. One minute you're crushing it, feeling like a gaming god, invincible and unstoppable. The next, the AI pulls off some crazy move, and you're left wondering if it's cheating. It probably isn't. Or is it?
That's the thrill and the frustration of playing against AI. It's unpredictable and keeps you on your toes. It can be challenging in a way that human players sometimes aren't, pushing your limits. But that's also what keeps us coming back for more, eager for the next challenge.
Now, some people will always say that nothing beats playing against another human. The thrill of competition, the unpredictability of human opponents, and the sheer joy of outsmarting a real person can be incredibly satisfying. And you know what? They have a point. There's something uniquely exhilarating about human interaction in gaming. There's a certain excitement, a level of trash-talking and camaraderie that you just don't get with AI. The shared experiences, the inside jokes, and the memories created during these sessions are priceless. But here's the thing. AI has its perks too. Modern AI can be incredibly challenging and adaptive, providing a different kind of thrill. You can pause the game whenever you want, looking at you, bathroom breaks. No need to worry about holding up your friends or missing out on crucial moments. You don't have to deal with toxic players raging in the chat. The peace of mind that comes with a solo game can be a huge relief. And hey, sometimes you just want to relax and play a game without the pressure of impressing other humans. It's your time to unwind and enjoy the game at your own pace. Ultimately, whether you prefer playing against AI or humans is up to you. Each has its own set of advantages and can cater to different moods and preferences. Both offer unique experiences and challenges. The diversity in gaming options today means there's something for everyone. The key is to find the right balance, the sweet spot where you're having fun, whether you're battling a super smart AI or outsmarting your best friend in a heated match. It's all about what makes you happy. Peace out.